will tell you how to go to Sioli, how to go to Konkani, how to go to Kepe, how to go to all areas in Goa. And I know a little of Konkani. I'm not confident of speaking Konkani as yet, so I will not speak it publicly, but in my office I keep speaking Konkani Ulaita. Little. So, but I'm a little scared. But I'm learning and I will not give up. I will learn Konkani as soon as I can. But I know the words, I can understand if you speak. I can argue with a taxi driver in Konkani, when he argues in Konkani, back in Konkani and get away. So, you know, I have learned. In fact, Candolim is very, very dear to me because after I came to Goa, which was the first time I came to Goa, when I was posted to Goa, and the first weekend, Sunday, you know, we get a day off. The other days we were busy working. So I came to Candolim. The first area I came in Goa to see and relax and enjoy was Candolim. And I was just mentioning before we came here, I was sitting in one of the, on the main road in one of the coffee shops, and suddenly I saw one gigantic figure looking like Sylvester Stallone come in a nice vehicle and get down. Looking at the man who's this great hero. So he was looking, you know, I could make out that he's a very important man. He is somebody important, the way he was acting, directing places, people there and all that. Then the image of the person, even today, is there in me. I keep recollecting that image. Same day I went back to office and asked my colleagues, who is this person? And that person was none other than today's birthday boy, Agnelo Fernandes.